Let us discuss capacitance problems. So in capacitance problems, in the first model, three capacitors C1, C2, C3 are connected as shown in figure. This is a figure. So let V1, V2, V3 and V3 be the potential of P, Q, R respectively. Then find the potential at the junction O. Find the potential at junction this O. How much they asking? Let us consider charges on Q1, C1. Here the charge Q1. Charge on C2. Here the charge Q2. Charge on C3. Here the charge Q3. So here, so according to Kirchhoff laws, enter to the junction should be equal to leaving from the junction. Current entered to the junction should be equal to current leaving from the junction. Here also charge entered to the junction should be equal to charge coming out of the junction. So here this charge flow to Q1 already discussed. Q1 is equal to Q2 plus Q3. Already I explained that condition also. That nothing but nodal capacitance method already I discussed. So here let Q1 comma Q2 and Q3 charges on C1, C2, C3 and C1 and C2 and C3 respectively. So charges C1, C2, C3 respectively. Here the Q1 should be is equal to Q2 plus Q3. Here they asking let us consider here the V0 potential. So here the V1 they given, here the V2 potential they given, here the V3 potential they given. So here Q1 by C1 is equal to, here the changing potential drop. So V1 minus V0 is equal to Q1 by C1. So and V0 minus V2, V0 minus V2 is equal to Q2 by C2, and similarly, so V0 minus V3 is equal to Q3 by C3. So here from this one Q1 is equal to C1 into V1 minus V0. From this one Q2 is equal to C2 into V0 minus V2. From this one Q3 is equal to C3 into V0 minus V3. So this Q1 value substitute here, Q2 value substitute here, Q3 value substitute here. So here, so C1, here the formula Q1 is equal to Q2 plus Q3. Here the Q1 nothing but C1 of V1 minus V0. So C1 of V1 minus V0 should be equal to Q2 nothing but C2 of V0 minus V2, C2 of V0 minus V2 plus C3, similarly C3 of V0 minus V3, here the simplify, multiply here C1 V1 minus C1 V0 is equal to C2 V0 minus C2 V2 plus C3 V0 minus C3 V3. This minus C2 V2, this minus C3 V3 bringing to left side, and C1 V0 bringing to right side. C0 V0 bringing to right side. So here the C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3 is equal to C1 V0 plus C2 V0 plus C3 V0. So here take out common V0. So C1 plus C2 plus C3 of V naught. So here the C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3. So they are asking V naught value. They are asking V naught value. So that's why you may write V naught is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3 divided by C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is the answer to the question. This is the answer to the question. Please remember this condition. Here the nodal method. Nodal method already we discussed. Nodal method nothing but these junction charges must be equal to 0. These junction charges must be equal to 0. That's why Q1 entered to the junction and Q2 some of these two leaving from the junction. So you may use like that. You may remember Kirchhoff law method. So current entered to the junction should be equal to leaving from the junction. Like that here also like this. This is the nodal method. So another important model. So find the equivalent capacitance of the circuit of several capacitors shown in the figure between terminals A and B. Capacitance of each capacitor is 1 microfarad. So 1 microfarad. Capacitance of each capacitor 1 microfarad. So here first whenever you may see the diagram in the picture, so you may identify first of all, so which capacitors in series connection, which capacitor in parallel connection, you may identify first of all. So after that you may redraw diagram. So step by step see how I'm going to write. So let us, these two are in series connection. So these two also series connection. So in series connection, whenever the connecting two capacitor in series, so equivalent capacitor is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 C2 by C1 plus C1 also here C, C2 also here C. So that's why C into C by C plus C, nothing but C squared by 2C. So 1 C get cancelled, C by 2. This resultant C by 2. This resultant also C by 2. So you may redraw this diagram. Redraw this diagram. What happened here? This is a C. This point is A, and this is a C. This one also C, and this is a C by 2. So now here connecting like this. Now here this one also C by 2. Now here connecting B. So here now again you may identify the which capacitors in series connection, which capacitors in parallel connection you may identify. Now these two are parallel connection because here the potential, so these two are in parallel connection. So whenever these two parallel connection, so in parallel connection C1 plus C2, this resultant C plus C by 2 nothing but 3C by 2. You may redraw again this circuit. So this is a 3C by 2. This is a C. Now again this is a C by 2. So connecting here battery B, and here the A terminal, here the B terminal. So here now these two are in series connection, then C2 parallel connection. So in these two in series connection nothing but C into 3C by 2 divided by C plus 3C by 2. Here this resultant, so here C here C into 3C by 2 divided by, so total 5C by 2, 2 get cancelled, 1C get cancelled, so 3C by 5. Here this resultant 3C by 5. So again you may draw the equivalent capacitance re-circuit. So here the C by 2, here the 3C by 5. Now here the point B terminal, here the point A terminal. Now these two are connecting. Again parallel connection. In parallel connection you may add both resistance, both capacitor value. So you may add, means C equivalent is equal to CAB is equal to, so 3C by 5 plus C by 2 is equal to 11C by 10. So 11C by 10. So 11C by 10 nothing but here C value they given for 1 microfarad substitute here. So 1 microfarad substitute here. So here the C equivalent is equal to CAB is equal to 11C by 10. 11C by 10. So 11 by 10 into 1 microfarad. So 1 microfarad. So here that 11, this one divided by, it means C equivalent is equal to CAB is equal to 1.1 microfarad. So now this is the answer to the question. In final capacitance of each capacitor is 1.1 microfarad. Another important model. So find the equivalent capacitance of the circuit shown figure across points A and B. Across these points A and B. Here this capacitor value 2 microfarad, this capacitor value 4 microfarad, this capacitor value 5 microfarad, this capacitor value 3 microfarad, this capacitor value 6 microfarad. So in this one you may write the equivalent circuit diagram. So how to write the equivalent circuit diagram? I am going to explain. Listen carefully, my dear students. So if you have any doubt you may ask. So here let us consider these two are different potential. Here the battery connect A terminal connecting battery positive, B terminal connecting battery negative through switch. Whenever the switch on, here the one more here the potential, these two are here crossing the here capacitor, one more potential different. Let us consider this nodal point X capacitor, this one is a Y. Here two different potential is there. So you may redraw the circuit. First this point is A and this final point is B, because they are asking in between A and B. So you may draw the like this. So second point, the one is a A near to the X point. This is a X point. This one is a Y point. So my dear students, you may identify the first A to X. How many capacitors there? You may identify. So here A to X one capacitor there. So A to X one capacitor there, and A to Y, this one is a terminal. So A to here Y, in between A and Y one more capacitor there. So here the 4 microfarad, here the 2 microfarad. So listen carefully. If you know the re-circuit diagram, then remaining problems very easy. Remaining method is very easy. Remaining steps also very easy. So first of all, my dear students, you may identify potentials, two different potential, and you may try to draw re-circuit. If you know how to draw the re-circuit, these problems very easy. See, So in between B and this point also B. So B to Y, one capacitor. So this is a one more capacitor. This is a 3 microfarad. 3 microfarad. So here B to Y also so B to Y completed. So B to this is a X, B to X. So here the B to X like this. And one more capacitor also there in between X and Y. In between X and Y. This is a one more capacitor. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 capacitors. So capacitors also same. Here the 5 microfarad. So already we know in this situation we have in the situation we have, or in the situation given we have C1 by C2 is equal to C3 by C4 according to Wheatstone bridge or bridge balancing method. So let us consider this as C1, C2 and or else this value is nothing but 6 microfarad, or else you may write this is a C1, this is a C2, C3, C4, this is a C5. So substitute here. So C1 by C2, C1 by C2. So 4 by 2 is equal to 6 by 3. This is the 2, this is the 2. So 2 is equal to 2. It means, so here bridge balance. So whenever the bridge balance nothing but this resistor you may remove. You may remove. No charge passing through this one. Already I explained in Wheatstone bridge that concept. So you may draw the recircuit again here. So one is here the 4 microfarad and here the 6 microfarad and here connection. So 2 microfarad, here one more connection. Now 3 microfarad. This point is B, this point is A. Now these two are in series connection, these two are a series connection. So then this result in nothing but parallel connection. So first of all this result into I am going to find this one. So C equivalent upper C U means upper. So upper is nothing but so these two are in series connection. Whenever the two capacitors connected in series, C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So here C1 4, C2 6 by 10 is equal to 2.4 microfarad. Similarly C lower. So here these two are also series connection. So 2 into 3 divided by 5. So total 6 by 5. So total 6 by 5. So 6 by 5 nothing but so here 1 point, so here 2. So 1.2 microfarad. So you may draw the recircuit again here. So here this one is a point B, this point is A, here the 2.4, here 1.2 microfarad. Again C equivalent in between C, A, B is nothing but these two are parallel. These two are parallel nothing but you may add. So 1.2 plus 2.4 microfarad is equal to total 3.6 microfarad. Now this is the answer to the question. So like that you may draw the recircuit. So if you know the recircuit, how to draw the recircuit, so easily to calculate remaining part. Please listen carefully. So once again, so you may see the how I solved this one. You may recall once again 1 or 2 times. then only easily to identify. Another important here, the circuit in figure is in steady state. Find the potential difference VA minus VB and VB minus VC. Here the point VA, here the point VB, here the point VC, here the VC, here the VB, here the VA. In between here how much potential? In between here how much potential they asking. So whenever they asking this type of question, first of all you may identify the which capacitor in series connection, which capacitor in parallel connection, you may identify. So here now these two are connecting parallel. How these two are connecting parallel? Here B potential connecting this capacitor and this capacitor, C also connecting these two. So here potential same, nothing but parallel. Similarly here also B, but here the A, these two capacitor also here A. In between here also these two are also in a parallel connection. In parallel connection simply you may add. So here the resultant 2 microfarad, here the resultant 6 microfarad. So you may draw again this equivalent circuit diagram. Here this is a 6 microfarad, this is a 2 microfarad, this point is a B. Now this is the connecting one more lower capacitor 1 microfarad, here connecting battery through switch, like this point is a C, this point is A. In between this one they asking here the switch, here the 100 volt, here the 100 volt. So here you may find the first when the connecting battery terminal, nothing but this is the positive Q, negative Q, positive Q, negative Q. Because here in this area only upper branch equivalent capacitors are going to consider C1. That C1 is equal to, here these two are connecting here series connection. That means whenever the connecting two capacitors in series connection, C1 by C2, sorry, C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2, that C1 is equal to 6 into 2 divided by 8. So this is a 4, this is a 3, this is a 2. So C1 is equal to 3 by 2 microfarad. So C1 is equal to in upper block upper capacitors equivalent capacitor, upper branch equivalent capacitor, C1 is equal to 3 by 2 microfarad. You may identify here that you may find the first of all charge. So which charge? So charge in upper branch of circuit, here the charge in upper branch of circuit is by battery is Q is equal to C1 into V. C1 nothing but 3 by 2 into V nothing but 100. So this is a 50. So charge Q is equal to 150 coulombs. Charge C is equal to 150 coulomb. After that you may find the in between A to B how much potential. Here the potential, this part is nothing but A. Now this part is nothing but C. In between A and B, here the potential how much. So in between A and B, here one capacitor is there. So in between potential different is equal to charge upon capacitor. So charge upon capacitor. So here you may find the first of all VA minus VB in that case. So here already we know charge also. The charge Q is equal to here 150 coulomb. So now only we find. So VA minus VB is nothing but Q upon C1. So sorry, C. The C nothing but 6. So here Q nothing but 150 by 6. So here the 25 is equal to 25 volt. 25 volt. In between VA minus VB, how much here? 25 volt. Similarly, VB minus VC is nothing but here also Q upon C. Here Q nothing but 150. Here C nothing but 2. This is a 75. So 75 volt. Now these two are the answer to the questions. Here one more important model. Find equivalent capacitance between terminal A and B in the CKT nothing but circuit, shortcut form CKT, showing the figure. This one is a 2 microfarad, this one is a 2 microfarad, this one is a 1 microfarad, this one is 1 micro, this capacitor also 1 micro. So and this is the 2, this is the 2, this is the 1. Here connecting like this infinity to infinity. Here go and so infinity connection. When at the connection of these two, so let us consider this point is M, this point N. So after one circuit, this was a 2 1 continuously increasing. That's why this total capacitance of equivalent capacitance I am going to consider C naught. You may draw the recircuit. So here the 2 microfarad. So here the 1 microfarad. So here connecting here B terminal, here the A terminal. So after that here the M, here the C naught, here the N. So here this total. So one circuit here the continuously it infinity. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 like that infinity. That's why this total I am going to consider this. If same only you may do like this. So 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 like that na. So that's why this remaining capacitors, this is M and N after this circuit total C naught I am going to consider. So in between A and C also I am going to consider C naught. So now you may identify. Now these two are in parallel connection. When are the parallel connection? So you may add. So again you are going to draw. I am going to draw recircuit. This is the A 2 microfarad. Now this is the C naught plus 1 divided. This is the point B. This is the point A. Here in between, here the C naught. In between A and B also C naught. Now C naught is nothing but C equivalent. Here also C naught is nothing but C equivalent. C equivalent is equal to C naught is equal to, now these two are connecting series nothing but C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. C1 nothing but 2 into, so C2 nothing but C naught plus 1 divided by 2 plus C naught plus 1. So here the cross multiplication, C naught into C naught plus 3, 2 plus 1 3. So is equal to 2 C naught plus 2. So C naught square plus 3 C naught is equal to 2 C naught plus 2. So you may bring these two terminal left side. C naught square plus 3 C naught minus 2 C naught minus 2 is equal to 0. So C naught square plus C naught minus 2 is equal to 0. This one look like a quadratic equation. So in roots, so for example quadratic equation A x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here the x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a nothing but 1. Here c naught is equal to minus b nothing but 1 plus or minus under root of b nothing but 1 square. So here the minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. So divided by 2. So C naught is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 3, because 1 plus here minus and here minus plus, and 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 8 plus 1, 9, root 9 nothing but 3 divided by 2 is equal to, here the minus 1 plus 3 by 4, 1, minus 1 plus 3 by 2 one condition, minus 1 minus 3 by 2 condition. Here capacitance or capacitor always positive, that's why minus 1 plus 3 by 2 nothing but 1 microfarad. 1 C equivalent value nothing but, find the equivalent capacitance. Find here the equivalent capacitor value 1 microfarad.